how what is your experience with us? Like,
Yeah. So essentially, I usually train across multiple institutes, so it is good. Um, um, the response and the way people have responded, as and when there are some times when there is a delay from my end, or if I'm in a delay, you keep pinging, and if at all there is a delay from your end, I ping you, and the response is pretty fast. You people respond to my queries or whatever I'm asking for in a very decently fast fashion. It's on prompt and you're active. It looks that you're pretty much on the same page on what I'm expecting. So this what is the expectation by any trainer. They just expect you to just respond early and be there whenever it is required on the training purpose. Essentially, we need just the links. You just shared us one link, and it was just a clean go. So it was nothing like no hiccups. Everything went fine. So that is what is the expectation. Nothing much apart from that. This is what is the expectation. We need the link and we need the connectivity to be done. And once the connectivity is done, then the rest is on the trainer to just take care of getting the things done. So everything else is pretty good. Nothing like there is a complaint somewhere. Everything is maybe it's a clean flow. I never saw that there was a hiccup. That's what is any other organization out there work with. They're all prompt. They're all on the same page whenever they're discussing with me. That is what is the expectation. So I just found analyst error to be on the same front. It all is same. So that's pretty much about what I wanted to say. It is to just stay on par with any of the institutes out there. Whatever is expected out of you people, it's already there. This is what I expect as a trend.
okay, the very thanks for your kind words. Okay, and as for the second professor, if you feel we will keep, I think we will be keep in touch with you very regularly. We are planning for another batch, okay, with major skills, so that many people can be able to help us and can join us. Launch once, okay, and Angular, and if you want to, you can suggest us what are the trainings which you feel that is it right now on market with a proper promotion, we can get a better audience. So feel free to share your suggestions in that case.
Okay, so just go with Angular and Node, your mean stack. Go with the mean stack and Angular. These two are pretty much required in the market, and I am already active giving nurtures.
Thank you.